Today, May 26, 2026. My dream desires that today I share with my national global network the desire of this Transfiguration Medal from Holy Trinity France Chapel in the care of the Carmelites, from the Miraculous Lady of Light. The dream message I received today, May 26, 2026, is to mark Philippine government agencies and sectors for the 2026 Philippines Transfiguration Temple for the world. This prepares the Philippines for the sacred prophetic May 28, 2026 Philippine Flag Day, a sacred prophetic Philippine Flag Day which signals the beginning of the June 12 Philippine Independence Day. God's merciful love be praised. Amen.